Best Wi-Fi Hidden Spy Camera Alarm Clock. We review top 5 best Wi-Fi hidden spy camera alarm clock. Prosia hidden camera with audio live feed. Looking for something a bit more affordable? Check out this wallet-friendly model from Prosia. Measuring roughly 1 by 1.7 inches, this teensy tiny wireless camera is super easy to conceal. But don't let the small size fool you, it captures 150 degrees of footage with high-def 1080p resolution. Plus infrared night vision. We also like that the included lithium battery charges with a USB port. Swann indoor/outdoor 1080p Wi-Fi surveillance camera. If you're open to spending a little extra on a high-quality model, you should definitely consider this 2-pack of surveillance cameras from Swann. These indoor/outdoor video recorders capture around-the-clock footage at a 180-degree angle up to 26 feet away. With vivid 1080p resolution, night vision, a two-way talk feature, a built-in siren, and voice commands through smart devices, you'll have peace of mind about your home security. Blink Mini Indoor Wi-Fi Security Camera. We're also big fans of the Blink Mini. This indoor security camera has a built-in motion detector and captures high-definition 1080p footage. It syncs with the Blink Home Monitor app and any Alexa-enabled smart device to offer a live view when movement is detected. The pint-sized 2-inch square connects to a USB power source and is super easy to hide. Google Nest Indoor Cam. For those interested in a wired model, we recommend the Google Nest Cam. You'll get continuous live streaming with 1080p resolution from any smart device. Never running out of batteries. Boasting a night vision feature with high-powered infrared LEDs. You can expect crystal clear footage even in the pitch dark. We also appreciate that this mini camera has two-way audio. Arlo wire-free video doorbell. If you're looking for something to monitor the front of your home, consider getting a video doorbell, like the Arlo Essential. It connects to your Wi-Fi and offers high-def viewing at a 180-degree angle. Setup is easy, no hard wiring needed, and the rechargeable battery lasts a whopping 6 months. This hidden doorbell camera also has two-way audio and syncs with the Arlo app to offer real-time notifications.